Hello everyone, today in this part 6 of relations and functions, I'll explain you range of the real functions. So let's start with the question number 1, which is little bit different, but this type of questions are also important and simple also. So first of all, we will start with this part. We have to find out the value of f0 if the function is given by 2x minus 5. In this type of questions, because we have to find out f0, it means substitute x is equals to 0 wherever you are getting x. It means this is minus 5. Now the second part is f minus 3. F minus 3 means 2 into minus 3 minus 5 and the resultant is minus 11. Now let's come with the range of the real functions. Now to find out the range of real functions, first of all we have to consider any element in codomain. Let us suppose that is y, let fx is equals to y. This is the answer to for the A part. Now what we are going to do, यहां पर हमारे पास fx is equals to this है. It means इस fx को हम y यहां कोई एलिमेंट ले रहे हैं, because our function is always defined by y is equals to fx, and this is the common rule to find out the range of any function. Now look at this thing, y is equals to what this become, x plus 1 upon x minus 2. Now cross multiplication, yx minus 2y is equals to x plus 1. It means what this become, yx minus x is equals to 2y plus 1. It means x is equals to 2y plus 1 upon y minus 1. So in this way, by calculation, we will get the value of x in the form of y. Why we are going to do this thing? देखिए इसे करने का हमारा एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. अब देखिए आप y को कोई भी वैल्यू दीजिए, हमें x मिलेगा एक्सेप्ट y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. यानी कि हम कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं, अगर हमने y की वैल्यू यहां 2 रखी, तो y की वैल्यू अगर हमने यहां 2 रखी, तो देखिए इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हमें x क्या मिलने जा रहा है, 5. इट मींस 5 के लिए हमें इमेज मिलेगी विच इज 2. और इन अदर वर्ड्स, अगर आप वर्ड्स को चेंज करें तो आप ये भी कह सकते हैं इस 2 के लिए हमें प्री इमेज जरूर मिलने जा रही है. दैट इज वाई वी विल गेट ऑलवेज इन दिस फॉर्म. और हम ये कहते हैं कि यहां से हम y की कोई भी वैल्यूज दे रहे हैं उसके लिए, क्योंकि ये इक्वल्स टू x है, इट मींस हमें प्री इमेज मिल रही है. और दूसरे शब्दों में हम इसे ये भी कह सकते हैं कि अगर हमने y को 2 रखा तो हमें x 5 मिला. इट मींस 5 के लिए हमें जो इमेज है वो क्या मिल रही है, 2. बट ऑलवेज वी विल डू इन दिस कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट वे, कि हम ये कहेंगे हमें हर y के लिए x मिल रहा है, बट यहां हम y माइनस 1 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट डिफाइन. देखिए अगर आप y को 1 रख देंगे तो क्या होगा, 1 माइनस 1 0, विच इज नॉट डिफाइंड. दैट्स वाई यू विल से which is defined for all, which is defined for all x belongs to, sorry, which is defined for all y belongs to R, except, what is this, except condition y minus 1 is equals to 0. It implies that y is equals to 1. Therefore you can say range of this function is equals to R real numbers minus 1. केवल 1 नहीं लेंगे, so range of this function is R minus 1. So this is very important technique. Please revise this thing or try to understand, because range is the very complicated topic for some students, because they are not going to understand the concept. Now look at this thing. First of all, I'll explain this C part. We have fx is equals to under root x minus 3. Now first of all we will say let y is equals to fx. It means same condition. Again I am trying to understand this part. हम यहां पर क्या ले रहे हैं, y is equals to fx. It means under root x minus 3 is equals to y. Now this is the first condition, ये जो हमने कंसीडर किया है. Now solve this thing to get the value of x in the form of y. X minus 3 is equals to y square, x is equals to y square plus 3. Now we can say which is defined for all y belongs to R. बट यहां पर हमें एक कंडीशन पे और जाना है. देखिए यू विल से फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 से देखें तो हमारे पास y अंडर रूट में है. इट मींस y मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल्स टू 0. Therefore on the basis of this two combination you can say the domain of f is 0 to infinity. देखिए अगर हम फर्स्ट कंडीशन को नहीं लेते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या ड्रॉबैक आएगा. सबसे पहले आप इसे समझिए. देखिए अगर हमने यहां पर x को क्या ले लिया -1, इट मींस यहां पर अगर हम x को -1 ले रहे हैं, इट मींस हम ये कहने जा रहे हैं कि इसके लिए हमें कोई यहां y नहीं मिलेगा. अब y नहीं मिलेगा, इट मींस यहां -1 खाली रह जाएगा, और जब -1 ब्लैंक रह जाएगा इट मींस ये फंक्शन तब भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, डोमेन के हर एलिमेंट्स को क्या होना चाहिए, ऑक्यूपाइड. दैट इज वाई हमें दोनों तरह से चेक करना है. अब देखिए अगर हम 0 से इंफिनिटी y को कुछ भी रख देते हैं, मान लो आपने 0 रखा, तो 0 रखते ही x कितना मिल गया 3. इट मींस इसके लिए हमें प्री इमेज मिल गई, और यू कैन से कि इमेज ऑफ 3 कितनी है हमारे पास 0. तो दैट इज वाई वी विल कंबाइन दिस टू सिचुएशन. एक तो हम यहां से निकालते हैं इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, और एक हम स्टार्टिंग में भी देखते हैं कि रूट हमारे पास ये जो y है ये रूट में है तो ये किस फॉर्म में है. So this is the way to find out the range of the function if we have under root x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, कोई भी पोर्शन आ जाए इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए. अगर fx is equals to under root x minus 3 है तो रेंज जो है this is the range. तो जो रेंज होती है that is always greater than and equals to 0 and infinity. So this is the very important concept. Now the another part which is the quadratic. Now look at this thing. This is the D part. In this D part we have the function fx is equals to under root 9 minus x square. Concept is same. Let fx is equals to y. It means what this become? Y is equals to under root 9 minus x square. It means y square is equals to 9 minus x square. It means x square is equals to 9 minus y square. It means x is equals to plus minus under root 9 minus y square. This is the equation number 1 because we are considering this part. Now you will say which is defined for all y belongs to R such that 9 minus y square is greater than and equals to 0. In the now this is the quadratic. It implies that y square minus 9 less than and equals to 0. It implies that y minus 3 y plus 3 less than and equals to 0. Now number line, same concept. This is minus 3 and this is 3. Now this is positive part, this is negative part, and this is positive. Now less than and equals to 0. It means y belongs to कितना होगा less than or equals to 0 में minus 3 to 3. But directly again we will not say this is the range. You will say also from equation 1 we have y greater than and equals to 0. हमारे पास y क्या है greater than and equals to है 0, क्योंकि देखिए y is equals to under root 9 minus x square है. Therefore ultimately you will say that the range of this function is 0 to 3 close bracket. So this is the way. Again if you will not combine the situation, same problem whatever we did in first part. So the range of this function is 0 to 3 close bracket. Now look at this thing. B part, fx is equals to x square upon 1 plus x square. So we will say let fx is equals to y. It means x square upon 1 plus x square is equals to y. It means this is the equation number 1. Now x square is equals to y plus yx square. It means x square minus y, x square is equals to y. It means x square is equals to y upon 1 minus y. It means x is equals to plus minus under root y upon 1 minus y. Now you will say which is defined for all x belongs to R such that, what is this, such that y upon 1 minus y greater than and equals to 0. It means y upon y minus 1 less than and equals to 0. Now look at this thing. We have this two part. On the same basis, first of all we will find out the critical points. y0 it means because of 0, this is the one critical point. Y minus 1, 0, it means y is equals to 1, it means 1. Again, because this is two portion, number line is divided into two parts, plus, minus, plus. Now, we have less than 0, it means range is this portion. But one more thing, y minus 1 in denominator, it means y is not equals to 1. Therefore, you can say on the basis of this thing, range of this function is equals to 0 to 1. And this is the answer. This is again very important question, because in this part we have this thing in numerator and denominator. So revise this thing again and again so that you can find out the range of the other functions also. These are the two questions. You have to give the answer in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Thanks and God bless you.